So we are here, and John's actually getting the piece of plywood in. We've got boulder material over there. Actually, some really nice stuff that unfortunately is being used for a retaining wall and not for any water feature. So we're actually working for that house. But what they had built many years ago is this railroad tie wall back here. So it's completely disappeared. And so we are going to rebuild that. So it's over there. That's a wood one we're rebuilding. But then we've got this one down here that we're going to rebuild in boulders. So we have to work to start to take apart some of this, disassemble it, and then start to build a new wall. So we'll be here the next couple days at least. You know, that's what it looks like. This is our area we're working, and we're gonna go make a mess. You say, what are we doing? Look at this material. We got some great stuff they gave us. Yes, they did. Unfortunately, it's not a pond or a waterfall. As much as I would like it to be, we're building a retaining wall. So I'm gonna start moving some stuff so I can get in the yard here. One of the guys is opening the fence up as an access point, and we're gonna start making our way back and forth with some material. So first day after lunch, fence is down, brought a bunch of boulders in, got the first probably 40 feet, I'd have to almost guess. We got cleaned out back there, all the way across up to here. All the railroad ties are out. They were cutting up above. Now we're gonna start working on building some walls. So let's make some progress. So made some good progress today. We're still finishing up a section of it, but I got a couple big guys over there, that behemoth there, and probably another 7-8 tons here. We got a lot of material back here and kind of staged. Whole bunch of material sitting around on there and over here. And we're working on the first ends of our boulder wall. But we've got that first 8, 16, 30, approximately 25, 30 feet here cleaned out, and another 30 feet over there. So moving along. So we made good progress here. The wall from this point going back all the way into there is made. We've got material staged here. We got some material staged right here. Wall is out to right in here. Or tomorrow we're going to get this wall continue to be taken out, and then we're going to continue to work our way through here. Did well. Thankfully, we've got lots of tree coverage, which is nice. So no sun, but the humids are horrible. So making good progress. I feel bad. I've got some of the nicest materials I've had this season. Some great moss and lichen on these pieces, and they're going to be used for a boulder wall that will eventually have pachysandra and Boston ivy covering it in mulch. But hey, they'll be here long after they've passed away, moved on, whatever, and they'll still look great. So it's Friday, and we're starting day 2 of this project. I didn't put anything in my hair. It's gonna be a crazy one then. So day 2 of this project, Friday, said that already, and we are on to building, and I got another delivery. So I've got another 25-30 tons of boulders here to use. So yeah, we have to get moving, get a machine, start feeding that back there, and get the next section of wall down. I think today, fingers crossed, I have a full crew, which means we're gonna kick some butt. Because really yesterday, for the most part, we were a 3-man crew, which we did pretty well. That is a big pile of boulders. Some nice stuff again. Not as mossy as the last set, but that's okay. So we're just gonna continue working and make some progress. I'll talk to you in a little bit. So the rocks we got here must have been bad. These are not very good rocks. They must have been locked away somewhere. We've got barbed wire mixed in. You guys getting in trouble? Bad rocks. Bad to the bone are my rocks that I'm using. Of this done. Got this boulder wall built all the way down into here. We've got this small section to do Monday, but we made very good progress today. You guys worked really well bringing the material. Still have a ton out there, but we got all the way down. Guys are working on raking smooth out, so it looks good for them for the weekend. And then we're off.